With PCensus, you can add several report columns quickly, and we're going to show you how to do that. A simple way to add columns is through the Flyway tab called Database Explorer. Depending on your database, this window will allow you to select all types of preset geographies, such as counties, states, and zip codes. For each geography, the complete list for those areas will appear, where you can select one or many. If you have selected many items such as these zip codes, right-mouse click after your selection and choose Profile Individual Selected Areas, and multiple columns will appear. In this next example, we will use a custom shape for our work. Let's say you have a study area such as this circle, but you also want all zip codes within it to have their own columns. You may not know which zip codes are here, but PCensus will make it easy to find out. By clicking on PCensus Task and pinning it, we will use the Target List option to help us out. Click on Create Target or Site Score List to bring up a small group of variables in a lifestyle. Since we are searching for zip codes, we will set the target type to zip codes. Once you have set the lifestyle, click on Create Target Report for your circle study area. This will produce a list of all zip codes within that circle. The next step is to transform these rows of zip codes into individual columns. This is easily done by selecting all the rows with your mouse and Shift or Control keys on your keyboard, and then right mouse clicking for a window with extra commands. Choose Profile Selected Targets, and PCensus will generate a new column for each zip code on the list. Now that we have a project with all the columns that we wanted, we can now print or export this report with the different categories of demographics that we would like. For more information about PCensus, please contact Tetrad.